Hello viewers, you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial today we are going to be solving this particular problem. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe today so that you don't miss any of my class. But don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you receive the notifications anytime I upload a new content. Now let's get started with this problem. Now when you look at this, you can see that this question, this triangle is what is right angle triangle. So now, and we can see that we have connections, between the three sides of the right angle triangle. So whenever this situation occurs, what we need to do is to apply the Pythagoras rule that says hypotenuse square, is equals to opposite squared plus what? Plus adjacent squared. So now when you look at this, the longest side is the hypotenuse, which is the x plus 2. So we have x plus 2 squared. And the opposites could be x or could be x plus 1. So we have x plus 1 squared, then x squared. That's what? S squared. Alright, so now the next thing we need to do is to try to open this bracket. Now open this bracket, we are going to be having x plus 2. X plus 2, x plus 1 rather, x plus 1 plus s squared. So now open this bracket, we are going to be having x times this, we are going to be having s squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 2x, I'm getting it now, plus what? 4, which is equals to s squared plus the same thing we did. This will be 2x plus 1 plus what? Plus s squared. So now from the next page we are going to solve further. So now from here we can see that this equation can be reduced in this form. X squared plus 4x plus 4 is equals to don't mind me, so I'm using my hand to write, that's why. X plus what? X squared plus 2x, plus 1 plus s squared. So now from here we can see that this we actually cancel this if one goes to meet another one, or the second one. So we have this could be reduced to this 4x, that is subtracting minus 2x from both sides. So we are going to have, and subtracting 4 also from both sides, we are going to be having 1 minus 4 plus what? Plus s squared. So now from there, so the next thing is that you can see that 4x minus 2x is what? Is 2x, which is equals to, we are going to have minus 3 plus what? Plus s squared here. So now here we are going to be having, try to write this equation in another form. So we are going to be having, like by sending this to this side here, so I'm going to be having s squared minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0, which this equation is a quadratic equation in terms of x. So now here, next thing we need to do is to write this, is to factorize, or we solve this completely to get the value of what? Of x. So now we want to solve this value, so we are going to use a factorization method. So now using factorization method, we're going to see that we are going to be having x plus 1, then x minus 3, so equals to 0. So we see that x plus 1 is same thing as x minus equals to x minus 1, that is equals to minus 1, or we have x equals to 3. So now it is now to determine which one is what, which one is the best solution, or which one, because we have the two possible values of x, but we need to test which one is, is the right answer, which one is valid. So now from here, now if we can see that if we try to bring the diagram back, we can have x plus 2, then we have x plus 1 here, and then we have x here. So now if x is minus 1, you'll see that this one here is going to be, this is going to be 0, and you cannot have 0 distance. Do you understand now? So definitely, so now the one we are going to have, or will be our best solution, is what is x equals to what? X equals to minus 3, because when you look at this, when you subtract, or when you substitute this 3 into this, are you getting it now? And substitute into this and apply the Pythagoras rule. So we are going to see that, and this one also, we are going to see that the Pythagoras rule is going to be satisfied. And that is the end of this tutorial. If you find this class very interesting, do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon, so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. Do not hesitate to share to your learning colleagues. Do share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.